Well, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut out the headlight. I got all this loosened up here. I'm glad you could join me again, of course. But my name is Bill, BR. I'm the owner of the shop here we got the truck at. And we're going to turn this thing into a full-blown, basically a mud stock car. It's off-road only. What I'm going to do is I want to narrow the front end up. I want to have the front end come down and taper, kind of like, see some of the vehicles that look like a Jeep, where they narrow and they Y off. Just think it's just going to get a little bit more of a mean look. So I got everything loosened up here, and I got my plasma cutter out. I'm going to cut this section off right here. See how this pans out. I'm going to probably make it right here. I can always cut a little more. I kind of marked everything the way I want it, and I'm just going to cut this right along this edge here, making a nice little flat surface down here across, and cut off the bottom. And then I should swing the fender over, and then we'll do some modification over there later. But again, glad you could join us. We'll do a little bit of find my gloves, and just watch along as we start building on this truck. Put up some air. No matter what you do, you cut things and then you get into that the unknown, and that'll work too. I'm sure I'm going to have to use a good-sized hammer. Of course, you got to have one of these. Right there. I see a big piece of metal to cut. Nice. I think we're losing it here. The tips go to hell after a while. I think this one just did. Can't do that. All right, we're going to have to work on top. Now we're going to angle the fender in. So the fender's all